Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English Channel. Today we are going to listen to a story about something many people fear, visiting the dentist. Alex suddenly has a painful problem, and Nia tries to help him. Before we begin, here is today's question. What specific treatment does the dentist suggest for Alex? Listen carefully to find the answer. Let's begin. That bus was so crowded today, I thought we would never get off.
Seriously, I still feel tired from standing so long.
At least we finally bought lunch.
Yeah, I'm starving, honestly. This sandwich smells really good.
Mine too. Let's sit here for a minute before going home.
Good idea. Wait.
What happened?
My tooth. Oh no, my tooth suddenly hurts.
Your tooth? Which side?
I think the right side. No, wait. Maybe both sides.
Alex, calm down. Breathe first.
I am breathing. It just hurts a lot.
Was it hurting before today?
No, everything was normal this morning.
Maybe the cold drink caused sensitivity.
This feels stronger than sensitivity.
Strong how?
Sharp, really sharp. My whole head feels heavy now.
Oh no, you don't look okay.
I can't even chew now.
Then stop eating immediately.
Yeah, okay. I already lost my appetite, honestly.
Let me see your face.
Does it look bad?
A little. You look pale suddenly.
I hate this already.
I think we should find a dental clinic.
A dentist right now?
Alex, you're literally holding your face.
Yeah, fair point.
Come on, there's a clinic near the train station.
Okay, but walk slowly, please. The pain gets worse when I move.
Are you okay now?
A little better. No, wait, not really.
Still sharp pain?
Yeah, sharp and heavy together.
That sounds awful, honestly.
It is awful. My jaw feels strange too.
Maybe the tooth is infected.
Please don't say infected. That sounds scary.
Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.
Too late. Wait, where's my wallet?
What?
Oh no, I think I left it on the bus.
Hold on, check your jacket pocket first.
Wait. Oh, it's here.
Alex?
Sorry, my brain feels broken today.
Okay, just don't panic again.
I'll try. No promises though.
Do dentists always use injections?
Probably, for strong pain like this.
I don't like injections either. You don't like dentists. You don't like injections. What do you like?
Going home.
I know, but your tooth likes the dentist. Stay here.
Wait, is this the clinic?
No, that's a pet hospital.
Oh no, seriously?
Alex, why would a dog dentist help you?
My head hurts, don't judge me.
Sorry. Come on, the real clinic is across the street.
Everything feels louder suddenly.
You're probably stressed.
Yeah, I'm definitely stressed.
We're almost there now.
Thank goodness.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, my friend has sudden tooth pain. It's getting worse quickly.
I understand. Is this an emergency visit?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, please fill out this form first.
Sure, thank you.
We also need his insurance card.
Okay, one moment, please.
Please write his phone number here, too.
Of course.
Why do forms become harder when you're in pain?
Because you stop thinking clearly.
True. I just wrote my birthday where the phone number goes.
Wait, no. Give it to me. I'll help.
This is embarrassing, honestly.
It's okay. Just relax.
The dentist should be available very soon.
That's great, thank you.
Soon? Really?
Yeah, that's good news.
My hands feel cold now.
Here, drink some water slowly.
Thanks.
Better?
A little, but the pain keeps coming back.
You're doing okay.
I don't feel okay, honestly.
I know, but we're here now.
Alex, the dentist can see you now.
Go slowly. I'll stay here.
Okay. Don't disappear, please.
I won't.
Hello, Alex. Please sit back carefully. Okay. Tell me where the pain is. Here. No, wait. Maybe lower. Does this area hurt? Ah, yes! Right there! I see. The tooth looks sensitive. Sensitive sounds small. This pain feels huge. I think you may have a deep cavity. A cavity? Already? It happens more often than people think. Oh no. Don't panic yet. I still need an X-ray first. An X-ray? Yes, it will help us see the problem clearly. Okay, I'm nervous, honestly. That's normal. Stay very still, please. I'll try. All right. Done. Already? Yes. Let me check the image now. Is it bad? Yes. The cavity is deep. Deep cavity. Great. That sounds expensive, too. The important thing is treating it before it gets worse. Worse than this? Trust me, it can get worse. Oh no. Listen carefully. You now have two choices. Choices? We can clean and fill the tooth today, or you can return another day for treatment. I don't know. If you wait too long, the pain may continue or increase. Honestly, I already hate this pain enough. We can also use local anesthesia. That means no pain during treatment? Very little pain, yes. That sounds much better. Take a moment and think about it carefully. Okay, my brain feels slow today, honestly. Have you made your decision?
Yes, I want the treatment today.
All right. Please sit back slowly.
Okay.
You look nervous.
Honestly, yeah, a little.
That's normal. We'll go step by step.
Okay, that helps.
First, I will give you local anesthesia.
Wait, the injection part?
Yes, but it will be very quick.
I really hate injections.
Most people do. Just relax your shoulders.
Sorry, I didn't notice I was so tense.
Small pinch now.
Okay.
Done. Wait.
Already?
Yes. Now we wait for the numb feeling.
My mouth already feels strange.
That means it's working correctly.
This feels really weird, honestly.
We are starting the cleaning now. You may hear some sounds.
Oh no, I don't like that sound already.
Don't worry. Everything is going well.
It feels much longer when you're nervous.
Final step now. We are placing the filling.
So, after this, the sharp pain should stop?
Yes, it should feel much better soon.
Honestly, that sounds amazing right now.
And we are done.
Done? Really?
Yes, the treatment is complete.
Wow, my mouth feels heavy, but the pain is much better already.
Good. Avoid hard food today.
Okay, I definitely learned my lesson after this.
You can rest now.
Thank you, doctor. Really.
Alex, finally. How are you feeling?
Much better, honestly. The sharp pain is gone now.
Oh, good. You look calmer now.
Yeah, I was honestly terrified before.
I could tell.
I almost changed my mind twice.
But you still did it.
Yeah, and now I'm glad I did.
So, no more ignoring tooth pain?
Definitely not. Next time I'm coming earlier.
Good. That sounds smarter.
Also, I think I need soup for dinner now.
Soup sounds perfect, honestly.
Wait, where's my phone?
Oh no, seriously, again?
Relax, it's in my pocket this time.
Okay, good.
My brain still feels numb too.
I hope this story helped you learn useful dental English in a natural way. Now remember today's question. What choice did Alex make at the dentist? Write your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more slow and easy English stories. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.